3 best cybersecurity bootcamp programs in the US. In this video, you're about to discover 3 top cybersecurity bootcamps in the United States designed for serious learners and career changers programs that offer real hands-on experience, flexible schedules, and strong outcomes. And number 1, it might not be who you expect. Let's break it down in simple terms. If you want to launch or accelerate a cybersecurity career without spending years in school, you're in the right place. These programs combine industry-relevant curriculum, project-based learning, and support for certification, preparation, and job placement. Each one stands out based on outcomes, student praise, and up-to-date reputation. Starting with number 3, University of Illinois, Chicago Cybersecurity Bootcamp. Offered online, this program runs around 6 months in part-time format and covers essential domains like networking, system security, penetration testing, and incident response. Students complete collaborative projects, labs, and receive career support, including portfolio preparation and instructor feedback. Graduates consistently highlight the solid balance between academic rigor and practical readiness. This program reliably ranks among the most immersive and beginner-friendly university-affiliated cybersecurity bootcamps in 2025. Still want more? Wait until you hear about number 2. UT Dallas Cybersecurity Bootcamp. Also delivered fully online, this rigorous curriculum mirrors the part-time structure, typically 12 weeks full-time or 26 weeks part-time. The content spans penetration testing, cloud security, Python scripting, and security analytics. Students benefit from university resources and career success coaching. Reviews often highlight the networking opportunities with both instructors and peers, saying it feels surprisingly personal despite the scale. This program frequently ranks right behind the leading bootcamps in 2025 rankings. And number 1, that might be the program to beat. 1. Full Stack Academy Cybersecurity Analytics Bootcamp. This one tops many 2025 lists for part-time cybersecurity training. Available online in both full-time and part-time formats, approximately 12 weeks full, 26 part-time. It delivers a deep dive into network security, threat actors, cloud defense, and hands-on labs. Weekly commitment for part-time learners is moderate, making it manageable alongside a job. Full Stack Academy offers mentors, project-based learning, career coaching, and prep for industry certifications like CompTIA Security Plus. Graduates praise how well the curriculum aligns with hiring expectations and lab-intensive projects. But here's what most people don't realize. Choosing a cybersecurity bootcamp isn't just about a flashy name. What matters is real outcomes. These 3 programs solve that by pairing solid curriculum, certification prep, hands-on labs, and career planning support. Many students complete the courses with a portfolio they can show employers, and some programs even offer optional job guarantees for eligible graduates. Think that's impressive? Wait until you consider demand. Cybersecurity jobs are growing rapidly in 2025, with job openings projected to expand over 30% in key roles. Salaries for entry-level positions often start around mid to 5 figures, and with experience can reach 6 digits. That makes timely completion and strong support a true career boost. Final takeaway: which cybersecurity bootcamp stands out for you? If you want structured support from a major public university with guided career services, the University of Illinois Chicago Bootcamp offers solid foundation and networking. If you're looking for a well-regarded university setup with rigorous content and strong career readiness, Utah is a top choice. But if you prioritize the most employer-aligned, project-driven curriculum with extensive mentorship and flexibility, Full Stack Academy edges ahead. Each of these programs solves the career starter intention by delivering meaningful cybersecurity skill development, certification readiness, and practical career support without wasting years or budget on unnecessary extras. And don't forget to check the description for tools and helpful links that can make things easier for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for